don't want to raise my head. The world is covered in rage. A voice is calling out in anger, entering erratically into another age. Shadow puppets on the wall. I don't know who to believe. In the darkness, standing tall with a smile upon your face. And I have a right to have a voice, have a say. Whether I'm wrong or whether I'm right, it doesn't really matter anymore. We put up a wall, you put up a fight. Now it seems we've forgotten what all of that was for. Whether you don't want to or whether you can't see what is right in front of your face. Time is running out and we're already losing ground with the human race. I don't want to raise my hand. I don't know why I'm scared to say. I feel like I wanna call out. Feel like I want to run away. And I don't know why anyone should have to suffer anymore. Yeah, well, I don't know a whole lot of anything, but I do wonder what all of this is for. And you have a right to have a voice, have a say. Whether I'm wrong or whether I'm right, it doesn't really matter anymore. I put up a wall and you put up a fight. Now it seems we've forgotten what all of that was for. Whether you don't want to or whether you can't see what is right in front of your face. Time is running out and we're already losing ground with the human race. Believe me, if all those endearing young charms which I gaze on so fondly today were to change by tomorrow.